Good day, everyone. This is Teacher, and welcome to New Vision International School online teaching. Now, for today's lesson in math, we are going to study about subtraction. But before that, let's know first the learning objectives for this lesson. So, at the end of the period, the students are expected to subtract numbers using pictures, to count the objects correctly, and write a subtraction equation. So, let's know first the materials needed for this lesson. So, first, I want you to get your Rainbow Math Book, Volume 2. Second is your pencil. And the third is you are going to get your math notebook for solving. So let's review first. So once again, subtraction is one of the basic operation in math, which means removing some objects from a group. So these are the clue words. You have here the word minus, you have here the word subtract, and you have also here the word take away. So take away also means you get, or sometimes we can see excess on the objects, which means we take away some objects among the group. So I want you to see this illustration below. You have here 6 minus 2. So you have here 6 apples and the 2 apples are taken away. So in this illustration, it means that 2 objects are taken away from the group of 6. Okay, so now, can you guess how many apples are left? Yes, you're right. There are only 4 apples left now. Okay, so at first, there were 6 apples, then 2 were eaten, and now there are 4 apples left. So don't forget also, you have here the symbol for subtraction, which means minus sign, and this one is the equal sign. Okay, so I want you to look at this illustration. You have here candies. Okay, so can you count with me? Okay, this time we are going to count the number of candies we have here. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 5 candies, and the 2 candies here we will take away. So we can see X's here. We have 1 and then another X. So all in all here, we take 2 candies. Or we can also say 5. It means that there are 5 candies minus, it means we take away 2. It means these are the number of candies we take away. So we have 1, 2. There are 2 X's. So we have here 5 minus 2 equals how many candies are left? So can you count with teacher? We have 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 candies left. So you have also here, or we can also write this way. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, so we can write this way and we can also write this way. So we have here 3 as your answer. And this one here, also 3 as the answer. So even if you write this way or this way, you will arrive with the same answer. So don't forget you have to count properly. So once again, you have 5 candies. Take away or minus 2. We get the 2 candies here. And then there are only 3 candies left. So we have here 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's take this illustration. Okay. So first, we can see red balls here. So again, let's count how many balls we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first, we will write number 10 because there are 10 balls all in all. And then you can see 3 X's here. It means that these are the objects that we take away. So how many objects we take away here? We have 1, 2, 3. So 10 minus 3. Okay, so we are going to write number 3 on the second box. So how many balls are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the objects that are left. We have 7 objects. So these are the objects without X. Okay. Or we can also write this way. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, count all first. 10 red balls. And we take away how many objects with X? You have 1, 2, 3. So you have here the minus sign, which means take away. We will write number 3. Okay, so we have here 10 minus 3. And this time we are going to count how many balls are left without X. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. So we have here 7. So again, count again with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means there are 7 red balls left. So you can see, okay, you have here the answer 7. And you also have here the answer 7. So even if you write this way or this way, you will arrive with the same answer. Okay, so let's try answering in your math book. I want you to open it on page 79. Okay, let's take the first box. We have here the balloons. Okay, so first, count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many balloons we have here? 9. So this time, we are going to count the objects that we take away. As you can see, there are X's on the picture. It means that these are the objects that we take away. So let's count how many objects we take away. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we take 4 objects from the group. Okay, so this time we are going to count how many objects left. So these are the only objects left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have here 9 minus 4 equals 5. Okay, now let's go to the next illustration. We have here candies. Okay, so first count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 objects. And we take only 1. So you can see X here. It means the object that we take away. And we only take away 1. So this time, we can say that 5 minus 1. Okay. And let's count the objects that are left. So these are the objects that are left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay. So I think you can answer this alone. You ask your mom or dad's help. Teacher will give you time to solve, and then later you can see if your answer is correct. Okay? So teacher will give you time for you to solve all of this. Okay, so are you done solving? Okay, so this time let's see if your answers are correct. Okay, so again we have here 9 minus 4 equals 5. In number 2, you have here 6 minus 2 equals 4. So again, we have here 6 flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we take away 2 flowers. So we have here 2, and we only have 4 flowers left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Is your answer correct? Okay, so again, number 3, we have 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, so let's proceed to the next box. We have here 10 airplanes all in all. So you write 10, and then you take away, you have here 10 minus 5. It means you take away 5 objects from here. So you have 10 minus 5. And these are the objects that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Okay, let's go to number 5. So again, count all. You have here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 minus 2. So you take 2 objects from here. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. 6 because there are 6 objects left in the group. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's proceed to the next box. We have here butterflies. Okay, so we have 4 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have here 4 minus 3. So we put 3x's here. It means these are the butterflies that we take away. 1, 2, 3. You have 3. So how many butterflies left? So we only have one butterfly. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay, let's go to number 7. We have here the colorful balls. So we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why you write 5 here. So 7 minus 5 equals, okay, these are the objects that are left. 1, 2. So you have here number 2. So let's go to the cups. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have here number 9 minus, or we take away 1, 2, 3. So we write here number 3. Okay, so you have 9 minus 3. And then we are going to count how many cups without X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why you have here 6 as your answer. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. Okay, so this time I want you to open your math book on page 880, 8 and 0. So let's complete the subtraction sentence and find the answer. So in the first box, you have here ducks. So the first is to count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have here 8 as your first number. Minus, it means you take away 3. So you have your 3x's. It means these are the objects that you take away. So you have 1, 2, 3. That's why you have here number 3. So 8 minus 3 equals, this time you are going to count the ducks without x. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have here 5 as your answer. So let's proceed to the next box. So first, count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number that you write here is number 7. So it means there are 7 objects in the group. So 7 minus, okay, we take away how many? 1, 2. So you have to write in the second box number 2. It means after you count all, you are going to count the number of x's. And here in this illustration, we have 2 x's. So we are going to write 2 here. So 7 minus 2. So this time, we are going to write the number of objects without x. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay, so 5 here is your answer. Now this time, I think you can answer this alone. Just ask your dad or mom's help so that you will be guided in answering. So teacher will give you time to solve for this page. Okay, you will have enough time for you to solve this page. And later, you are going to check if your answers are correct. Okay, are you done? So this time, let's see if your answers are correct. Okay, so here, again, we have 7 minus 2 equals 5. So next box here, okay, we have 9 B's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have here 9 minus, we take away 4. So you have 4 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. So 5 B's are left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have here 5 as your answer. Okay. Is your answer correct? Okay. Now let's go to the next box. So we have here the turtles. So again, you have 6 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why you have number 6. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. We take away 4. So 6 minus 4 equals how many turtles without X? You have 1, 2. So you have here equals 2. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. Okay. Now this time, let's go to the last box. We have here the butterflies. So again, the first thing that you need to do is to count all the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have here 8 minus, you take away, let's count the number of x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we take 6 butterflies. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. So it means the 2 here are the 2 butterflies left without X. Is your answer correct? Okay, I hope that your answers are all correct. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, I hope you enjoy subtracting numbers and reminders. Ask mom and dad to take a picture on the pages that you answer and send it to WhatsApp so the teacher can check your work. Okay, so here's my big smile to brighten up your day. Enjoy studying. Bye bye and God bless.